Hey guys, what's up? You know, it's your girl Ancelena Versatility Boy, the versatile one. Welcome back to the channel where you get a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So, guys, today we are here with a challenge. So, guess what? Stay tuned and wait for it. Okay guys, so welcome back. So with me for this challenge, to my left is my sister Leonie. She's the one who came up with this idea with her props. And then to my right here is my niece Jessica, who is well known to you all, right? Because she's always here. And guess what guys? Leonie, she has her own channel. What's the name of your channel again? Lee Vlogs. So guess what guys? You need to go on over there and subscribe to her channel. Alright guys, so this is what I have here for you today. Alright guys, yes, so as I was saying earlier, so this challenge is the soda challenge. So this is what is gonna happen. We are gonna don't know Coca-Cola still, right? Just start drinking, start belch. That's true. But guess what? We're going to try not to belch. Guess what? If you belch, what you gonna do? So we have some lime here, not lemon, but the racha lime. If you belch, then you're gonna just take up a lime and you're gonna eat it. we have a bag of wheat crackers also. It says wheat snack, but we call it crackers, right? So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna put some in this little saucer here, and we are going to alright, just because they are belly full. So she's not gonna eat much. I mean, I think they're gonna eat much either. But we're gonna take a cracker and we're gonna eat it while we drink. So guys, who are you voting for? Yes, I want to see in the comment area right now. Say who you are voting for, and then we'll see if that person wins at the end of the challenge. One for you, one for you.
Cheers to good life.
And one for me. Come, let's open the Alright, come on, let's cheers guys. The first. Let's see who will. Come on, cheers, I don't know if cheers. Come on, you guys don't know how to cheer. Alright, so let's see who will win. So I'm gonna put my crackers in my mouth. There's not a gas. Because when this touches gas, then you know what's gonna happen. Take candy berry. So that we can't find no biscuit. Cheers, good with it. Coca-Cola. You can't have no secret. You can't have no secret that's running out. So I want my plate, them too, guys. Take time. Alright.
Yeah, done.
Look what that acabou. Ainda com vontade de morrer.
Until then, it's still Belch, you know.
No, come on, It shows how long she can keep it for inside.
If you laugh, you will come up with
Put it on my ears. You want to put more biscuit in there? Them not just the guys. Are you in the challenge? What are you doing out here?
So nobody never taste the lime.
I feel a belch coming on, but the belch go out.
No.
The belch go out.
Of course.
Me hear it.
Me.
Me hear
The
it.
lime.
Blind time. Me hear it. But you know, come on, come. Jesus. No pity out. Eat it. Eat it. Yes,
I
without
love
the
the seed.
seed. Eat it. But you know, come on. Me hear it now. And just do.
Come on, fish. If you sitting, it's just.
You have to eat the trash. You eat the lamb. So this trash. Is there that shit there? Jessica, go on good.
You better come up and say, man. What's that?
I say some belch, you know, go on when the challenge are done.
Hey!
Them good at a boil. If I know you tell them, and go, let me come up on the tree. You ain't got your back for you. Come here.
Mom, man.
Come, Belch, come on.
Go ahead, Mom. Vomit. It's just like, Mom.
No matter vomit, I can't hold the belch. What you have me one? I'm the one that off yet. Jesus, please.
Man.
So we can say that Jessica won this challenge.
Not the challenge.
Oh my, say excuse me. Eat the line, can challenge not done yet, I'm not done drink.
No, I'm from me done. Me don't finish. No.
Alright, I had to let that one go, guys, because I was talking.
This I don't like to put up, guys. Mom, I bet you will.
I wonder only on just Traveling. I hate it so.
Guys, they help me.
Alright, guys, so we still everything with my little soda. But them 2 years, well, especially she, Jessica, she held out. She feel bad in the end still. Lee and I, we had to taste the lie, but I can belch all I want hope I challenge done. Excuse me. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed. This is a challenge that we have put together for you. If you did, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Even if you did not like the challenge, please still like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It is your girl, Ancelena Versatility Boy, the versatile one. result. Love, blessings, prosperity.
Yes, the winner